Hi guys, so this is to tell you about a new scam which is attacking old people. So this is my grandfather's phone. He's 85 years old and he's getting messages from a number like this 8955902267, and the message says 50,000 is credited to your account, check your approved balance, verify Aadhaar and PAN with a link. I'm pretty certain if I click on this link something's gonna happen and my money's gonna go away. And very similarly, in one day, just look at the number of messages he's getting. Your KYC is successfully updated, whatever, same link at the bottom. 25,000 sent to your bank account from State Bank of India. Download app to receive your amount. All of this is just different languages used to trap him. Congratulations, 89,000 can be added to your account, transaction ID, and click on this. So if you see, he's getting lots of messages like these, especially the number out here is a unique number. It's not a AM, PM, TM, HDFC Bank. This is a scam. Please don't fall for it and pass this on to as many people as you can. Thank you.